Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the brand ambassador and product trainer for Jangro. Today we're going to talk about a brand new product, which is the Germicidal Cleaner Deodoriser, which comes as a 5 litre concentrate and also a 750ml trigger spray, which is ready to use. I mean, what's not to love about that? Brilliant. So not only is it good to look at and good to use, it contains naturally derived, quat-free, alcohol-free biocides. It's also a 100% biodegradable formula. So this is also made from renewable energy, which aligns perfectly with Jangro's values and sustainability offerings. If you take a look at the back of our GCD product, you'll notice that it carries no hazardous labels. This makes it safe to handle as it eliminates chemical exposure risks. Some other products may display that. This is a brilliant product that can be used on multiple surfaces as well as an air freshener. And I'm going to show you how all this comes together in the next part of this video. So on to the doing. So firstly, we put out the PPE. So we'll make sure we've got our gloves on. We'll take our Jangro 100% recycled cleaning sign. Good chance to plug that. Use the clips to help stop the sign from falling over and place that in the area. Now, as we said earlier, the product comes as a 5 litre concentrate. This can be diluted into a mop bucket. It can also be used in an extracting machine as well as a scrubber dryer. But for now, we're going to concentrate on the ready-made solution. So firstly, remove any surface dust, dirt from the area. Open the trigger spray bottle at the nozzle and apply. Then you would simply wipe off and allow to air dry. Now, as we said earlier, the product can also be used as an air freshener. So again, open the nozzle and simply squirt into the air and enjoy the aroma. I'll see you on the next video.